This is monsoon time. There was a lot of rain in the past few days, and thus this lawn is completely wet. Now, today I found some construction activities here by these ground ants, the Macronotus species. There is the first nest, and there's another nest there. They are separated by a distance of, say, around a feet and a half. Now, what might have happened is that the water would have moved in, seeped in, causing the land to give in, and now these ants are busy cleaning it up. So you can see what they are doing is the worker ants from that hole, that is the mouth of the home of the nest. They are bringing out bit by bit of this wood of the soil and dropping it off. Now let's do a close-up view. It's a hard work they're doing. And they're busy, completely busy. Same as in the other one. If you want to get a view, it's like a little slanted, like this. So you can now better appreciate it, what they're doing. Coming out of that hole. Now, I was talking about monsoon, and here it's raining again. This is monsoon. This is a beautiful weather in Indian subcontinent. Look how busy these guys are. Imagine the amount of work that has gone in getting this much amount of soil out of the ground in just one single day. Another nest being dug up here, but it has been abandoned for the time being. And this, you know what this is, right? This is the excreta of an earthworm. Alright guys, I just showed you two nests of the larger ants and the busy occupation they are involved with, getting the sand, the soil out of the nest, extending the size of the nest. Now I just noticed there is a third nest as well, but that one is of a lesser species. Let's close in. See, this is a different species. It's a smaller ant, but the purpose, objective, action, process, they all are the same. And there's another opening near here. And another opening somewhere here. So the ants are extremely busy cleaning up their house, or rather extending it. Meanwhile, the earthworms, they are also digging out the soil. You can see these are the excreta of the earthworms. Piles and piles of them. So we have not merely 3, but there are, if you start observing, then you would find a few more of them. See, first I found that one. That was the first, then the second, then this third one here of a smaller ant species with new openings around here and here. And now I've come across one more nest with the same occupation. This one is here. Same activity. And another one here. That's a soldier ant, and the smaller ones are the worker ants. You can make out the difference of the soldier ant by the size of its mandibles. It's bossing around, and then there are some more ants around. Oh my goodness, this entire landscape is filled up with ants. They are everywhere. All you need to do is just focus your sight on one spot and you'll find some ants around. Meanwhile, these fellows are still digging, and they are digging too. Okay, enough for the time.